Hello everyone. Today we are going to study how to declare variable in Java. First of all, what is variable? Variable are container for storing data value. In Java, we have different type of variable. First one is string. String store text values means hello, anybody name. Next one is int. Int store integer value means a whole number 0, 1, 2 and so on. Next one is float. Float store floating point number means decimal point number 19.99, 19.20 and so on. Next one is char. Char is character, stores single character such as A, B, C and so on. Next one is boolean. Boolean store two states. First one is true and second one is false. So in Java, a variable, you must specify the type and assign it a value. Now create a variable called name of type string and give it value. String name is equal to and give value to it hello. Then system.out.println and print the value of name. Run it. Here you can see hello is print. It is a string variable. Now next one is integer. Int a is equal to 20 and print a. Now 20 is print. Next one is float value. Float b is equal to 20.00f and print it. Print b. Now here 20 and 20.45 is print. Now print a char value. Char x is equal to and pass value d and print value of x. Now d is print here. Now we print the boolean type. Boolean j is equal to true and print j. Here true is print. Here hello is a string value, 20 is an integer, 20.45 is a float value and d is a single character and true is a boolean data type. So that's all. Thank you.